Good night, teacher Erika. Question task. My name is Amilcar Mosquera Pinilla. Do you live in San Jose del Guaviare, don't you? Yes, I do. Are there tourist sites there? Aren't there? Yes, there are. You are a tourist agent, aren't you? No, I am not. Do you recommend a good tourist place in San Jose del Guaviare? Is not it? Yes, I could. You are from Quito City, aren't you? Yes, I am. You would like to know about other tourist sites, wouldn't you? Yes, I would. You know Cartagena, don't you? Yes, I do. Many people go swimming at the beach of Cartagena. It is it? Yes, it does. It is a long way from Bogota to San Jose del Guaviare a vacation, is not it? Yes, it is. There are hot spring tourist sites in San Jose, right? Yes, there are. You had experience in the tourist site of San Jose del Guaviare, right? Yes, I do. It's raining a lot in San Jose del Guaviare, doesn't it? Yes, it rains a lot. Have a good